The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for the following Delaware counties: Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, plus the following Maryland counties: Caroline, Cecil, Kent, Queen Anne-Sautet, and Talbot, plus the following New Jersey counties: Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Cape May, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Ocean, Salem, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, plus the following Pennsylvania counties: Berks, Bucks, Carbon, Chester, Delaware, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, and Philadelphia. Effective until 10:29 p.m., the National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch 610 FECT until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for the following areas. In Delaware, this watch includes 3 counties. In central Delaware, Kent. In northern Delaware, Newcastle. In southern Delaware, Sussex. In Maryland, this watch includes 5 counties. In northeast Maryland, Caroline, Cecil, Kent, Queen Anne, South Talbot. In New Jersey, this watch includes 16 counties. In central New Jersey, Mercer, Monmouth. In northern New Jersey, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, Warren. In southern New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Cape May, Cumberland, Gloucester, Ocean, Salem. In Pennsylvania, this watch includes 10 counties. In east central Pennsylvania, Berks, Lehigh, Northampton. In northeast Pennsylvania, Carbon, Monroe. In southeast Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester.